I hope you can hear me now. This particular session, which is basically based on winter skincare and how to take care of your skin during the winters. I have been associated with Oriflame for now almost 8 years. I am in charge of the Oriflame Academy and as well as take care of the skincare range and trainings related to the skincare range, right? So since winters have now approached us and we are now into it completely and I stay in Delhi, I can promise you, yes, we have now started experiencing the regular winters. What winter brings along is a lot of dryness in our skin, a lot of dryness in the environment as well. And how to take care of that is what we will try and cover today. What are the best products to use? We will be covering that. And at the same time, we will try and give you some tips that you could follow and you could even share with a few of your friends. Right. But before we begin, we will begin with what Oriflame is all about, the what kind of beauty we bring forward. So when we talk about Oriflame, our company is from Sweden, and we talk about now what is trending is the S beauty, which we call as Scandinavian beauty. And because it has been in trend for quite some time, people had been talking about the J beauty and the K beauty, J beauty being the Japanese beauty, K beauty being the Korean beauty. But now what's trending more these days is the Scandinavian beauty, which we popularly know as S beauty, right? And what is it all about? When we talk about S beauty, it's all about a minimalistic look, which means we talk about natural colors, we talk about makeup, but still a no makeup look, which means, yes, you do have entire makeup on, but at the same time, it still gives you a very, very natural look. So that's what S Beauty is about. And S Beauty is about being very, very simple and very smart. Why we say simple and smart is because we want to bring you products that are simple to use, not so complicated. Don't have to do too much with that. And smart being because we want to give you products that are multitasking and multifunctional, which means one product can give you a variety of solutions. Yeah. So we try and bring you the products which are simple and smart, and then at the same time, our products that we make also have respect for nature. Yes, our aim by 2023 is to become a fully sustainable company. Even currently, when we talk about our catalog paper that you see every month, the catalog, that's a completely 100% recycled paper, which means we never cut new trees to make our paper for the catalog. So that's one kind of respect for nature that we always show. And then the products that we make are now completely biodegradable, especially the exfoliants, the rinse off products. And then we do a lot of eco-ethical screening, which we will talk about in a few slides from now. Then our products are absolutely safe and completely trusted because they are tested properly before they reach out to you. So when we talk of skincare, it's dermatologically tested. Our skincare, especially the Optimals range, you can say is consumer tested as well, which means once the product has been manufactured, it is given to people like you and me. We check the product, we use it, we give our opinion, we give our feedback on it. And it's not that, it's just done globally in other countries. We do consumer testing in India as well. And in fact, right now, as I speak to you, there is currently a consumer test that's going on already in India with one of our products. And then with Novage, what we talk about is a clinical testing, which we will, once we talk about the Novage range, we will discuss more in detail. And then with this beauty, there's another thing which is all about beauty inside out. And what do we mean by beauty inside out is because we give you a holistic beauty. And by holistic beauty, we mean a healthy lifestyle, a beautiful skin. And then at the same time, we believe that you have all the freedom to express yourself completely, right? So that's what beauty inside out is all about. When you're healthy from inside, when you're beautiful and glowing from outside, you definitely have more confidence for a better personal expression as well. Now, here's a little thing is about, what are the first words that come to mind when you think of a healthy skin? And if I have to answer this, or if you have to answer this, very, very common words that we would talk about is a young and a glowing skin, a soft skin, a plump skin, a skin that has no spots, a skin that is, maybe acne free or pimple free, and even skin tone. So these are the basic common words that we normally think. But then there are certain facts about skin that we all need to know how our skin behaves. So the first one being, did you know that skin is the largest organ in the body? Well, if you take out your skin, and let's say the entire skin from the body we've taken out and we spread it on the ground, you'll make a big square of about 2 meter square area. So imagine that's how big our skin is. And then every individual skin, it renews after every 28 days, which means in 4 weeks we get our new skin on the epidermis. What do we really mean by that? Well, basically, our skin is paper thin, and in that paper thin skin also there are different layers. And what happens is new cells are actually produced in the bottommost layer, and then slowly and steadily they move into the middle layer and then to the top layer. And once they are on the top layer, after some time they become dead cells and they shut off. Right. So this is what happens to a complete skin cycle. They shed off and then new cells come again. So this is a process that happens for about 4 weeks. We get to see a newer skin all the time. So, you would have seen that sometimes there are certain spots and then they go away by time. So because the skin is renewing continuously. And then we have a range on product for every skin and every budget. So that's one of the very good thing about Oriflame is that we can cater to all skin types. We can cater to people who have lower budget, who have, a little higher budget, or even with the premium budgets also we can cater to everybody, which means you as a brand partner have a bigger kitty with which you can cater to your friends and your customers. So that's why you get a big variety when you talk about skincare of Oriflame to your friends. And then our Novage range uses patented plant stem cells technology, which means what are plant stem cells all about? We will talk about a little later, but patented is something that you must share about the Novage range because we use technology on which we have the rights, which means nobody else in the market can copy the technology in the Novage range that Oriflame is using. That means Novage range is completely unique, and this solution people will not find in the market because our technology here is completely patented. And then one of the things that you need to keep in mind is that sun is the #1 ager of the skin, which means the maximum aging that happens in our skin is because of the sun. And then our skin cells are actually, made up of 60% of water. So water, which means hydration, is extremely important for our skin. Yeah, a well hydrated skin will always be more plump, more soft, and that's how the skin then works much, much better. So now it's time to understand how does a really healthy skin behave. The first one is about the 28-day cell turnover, which I already kind of spoke to you about. But now let's have a look at this diagram on the left hand side where you see the circle and then you see stratum corneum, you see moisture barrier, and then you see the different layers. So the stratum corneum is the epidermis, which is the topmost layer. Over that are the environmental aggressors which are continuously acting on our skin. Then this one is the middle layer where you see the moisture barrier. All these blue dots that you see are actually the hydration in our skin. And then in the bottom you find are the dermis, the hypodermis, that is the bottommost, and then new cells are here produce this yellow one, and then they keep moving further ahead. So basically, this is the dermis layer where maximum work happens in our skin, and then the bottommost layer, which is the hypodermis, where new cells are produced, and then they continuously go up. Now, what happens in a healthy skin is you see that this layer is absolutely smooth. Yes, so it's very smooth. It's plump because it has moisture in it. It's completely hydrated. Now, when it is hydrated, what happens is this moisture barrier helps to keep this entire bad stuff out of the environment that's acting on the skin, which has all the bad stuff. It doesn't allow to come inside. And then at the same time, it does not allow the good stuff that's inside the skin to go out as well. So that's how a healthy skin really behaves. And then there's even production of melanin. Now, what do we mean by melanin? Well, melanin is actually the pigment that gives color to our skin, which means the lesser the melanin, the fairer we are. Yeah, the more the melanin, the darker we are. Now, the problem is not that whether we are fair or we are dark. The problem comes when there's more of melanin in some part of the face and less of melanin in another part of the face. So which means what happens then is that basically there's uneven skin tone, and then we also see that there are dark spots, there are pigmentation that appears. So that is exactly what uneven skin tone and what melanin can basically do to our skin, right? So that's why we say even production of melanin is quite important. And then quickly replenishing of collagen and elastin is also required for a healthy skin to work properly. Yeah, so 1 minute. So for a healthy skin to work properly, we need collagen and elastin that start breaking down. Just a minute. Okay. All right. Yeah. So what do collagen and elastin do in our skin? Well, basically collagen is responsible for wrinkles in our skin, which means when we are young, our skin has more collagen. And that also means that when we are young, there are lesser wrinkles in our skin. And as we grow older, our skin starts to age, collagen production reduces, and that's when we start seeing wrinkles in our skin. Now, when we talk about elastin, what does elastin do to our skin? It gives a nice bounce. It gives a plump to our skin. So which means, when you see children and you see their cheeks, you feel like pulling them. Why? Because and it goes back immediately. But if you pull a matured skin, it takes time to settle down, right? Because elastin has now reduced in a matured skin. But in a child's skin, there's a lot of elastin, there's a lot of bounce. So that's what collagen and elastin do to our skin. And of course, a healthy skin is energized and it repairs itself on its own. Now, what gets in the way of a healthy skin, which means what causes a problem to the healthy skin? Here we have listed down some 10 factors that you would see. These are biological factors, these are environmental factors, and then there are the lifestyle factors. So a lot of people think, well, my skin behaves like this because that's how my parents' skin was like. So genetics do play a role, but just a little bit of the role in how the skin really behaves. Age and gender also plays a role. Of course, when you age, your skin has also aged and it starts to behave in a different manner. When we talk of gender, yes, the male skin is oily. However, then they get wrinkles much later. So gender also plays one part in our how our skin is actually behaving. But then there are other factors like the environmental and the lifestyle factor, which play a bigger role in how the skin is behaving, whether it is healthy or not healthy, right? Now, what are these environmental factors? First one is sun, as I told you, that's the number one ager of the skin. And then climate. Now that we're getting into dry winters, the the environment outside is dry and our skin also tends to become much drier, right? So climate changes, and of course we will always tell you that with the change of climate you can and you should look at changing your skincare regime, right? So in summers you can use a different regime, in winters you can use a different regime, and that's also very, very good. I'm sure you've heard about these little things like, oil also. One should not use continuously the same oil while you're cooking. Have a variety of oil while you're cooking, and just the same way, have a variety of skincare regime change depending upon various seasons, right? And then pollution also kind of affects. A lot of aggressors act on your skin, and then they damage the skin, and these aggressors kind of break the bonds in our skin, and then skin of course would need more repair. So pollution also gets in the way of a behavior of a healthy skin. And then there are lifestyle factors like exercise. So if we talk about exercise, we would always say 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week. Quite crucial. When you sweat it out, you would always see that your pores functional better. Your pores are not clogged. So exercise definitely leads into a healthy skin. And then talking about nutrition, we all know whatever we eat, our body, it would show on our body, not just in terms of the weight, but also how healthy it also shows on the skin as well. You eat a lot of junk food, processed food, fried food, it would show on your skin, right? But however, if you have a good nutrition with healthy fresh fruits and vegetables, definitely your skin would also be much more healthy and more glowing. And then sleep. Sleep is another critical factor. It's called like 7 to 8 hours of sleep is always known as a beauty sleep, right? So if you want your skin to be healthy, it has to have all of these factors together. Now, sleep, when we say 7 to 8 hours, it's not that, you sleep 2 hours in the night and then another 2, 3 hours in the morning and then another 2, 3 hours in the afternoon and you've done your 7 hours of sleep. No, it doesn't work like that. Studies have proven that 11 p.m. to 4 a.m., that sleep when you get is the best sleep for your body. It helps to recover. And these days, what also happens is you would be coming across this issue in terms of the skin, which is about dark circles. A lot of people would come and tell you, oh, I need solution for my dark circles. Now, for dark circles, when they come and ask solution, there are 2, 3 things that you should always keep in mind. Yes. External products are very important. You have to, of course, give them an eye cream, but at the same time, check on their hydration, check on their nutrition, and most importantly, check on their sleeping pattern. So whether they sleep well or not, and all of these would result, and help them to kind of work with their dark circles. So, as a skincare expert, yes, you can give products, but you talk about basic healthy lifestyle things, people will start trusting you even more. And then amongst the lifestyle factors are also emotional well-being. Yes, we are under a lot of stress these days. So that's another thing that, we need to take care of. The more stressed we are, again, it shows on our body, shows on our energy and how energized our skin is. And of course, lastly, it's the beauty routine that you follow. Right. So if you look at it, 80% are external factors, which are all in our control, and only 20% are the internal factors, which are not in your control. Right. So how your skin looks is basically 80% you can influence it. Now, what happens when these factors are not working for your skin? What happens? What's the impact on the healthy skin? Let's have a look at this. The cell turnover, which was for about 28 days, can even go up to 60 days, which means new skin cells are not coming up as fast as they should be coming in 28 days. Now, if you look at a diagram here, you see in the earlier skin, this one, you see how the epidermis, the stratum corneum was absolutely smooth. But here, you see it's become very rough and uneven, and now what's happening is these aggressors have now started going on the skin, started acting on the skin, and they are breaking the bonds in the skin, right? What also is happening is that there's a lot of dead cells that gets deposited, which means it causes a traffic jam, which means it is not able to work properly. And then these stressed and damaged skins, they create gaps. When there are gaps, what happens is this moisture, the skin starts to lose out this moisture. These blue dots, you see, the skin is now losing it out, right? So the good stuff like hydration is it going out, and the bad stuff like aggressors and all are now coming in. And then collagen and elastin fibers are also getting depleted. So that's what happens when the healthy skin is not really behaving properly. So that's the impact that we get to see in our skin. And then the skin is more like a mattress. It starts to lose the springs, right? You know how when a mattress is new, there are good springs, there are it's very smooth, and same is with our skin as well. It behaves like a mattress. When it's healthy, the mattress is smooth. When it's not healthy, it becomes uneven, and then there are gaps, and then the springs are not that tight, so the mattress starts to lose the springs as well. Now, when we talk about winters, what happens basically in winters? Well, basically the temperature goes down, and it's cold. There's dry air outside. Now, when there's dry air outside, it leaves your skin also dry. Sometimes itchy, you feel like scratching your skin because there's dryness. It becomes red, it becomes irritated. Now, these cold conditions outside can leave the skin feeling very, very raw, which means you feel that, it's just not hydrated properly. And also what happens is the indoor heat, it saps the moisture from the air and from your skin. Now, what we try and do in winters is outside is cold and we try to keep our house very warm. So this indoor heat, it it takes this moisture from our skin and takes it out of the skin. So you see, outside anyways it is dry and cold, so it doesn't give the hydration to the skin. And inside at home we try and keep our house warm, so that heat also takes up the moisturizer. So you need to keep that in mind, and that's why in winters people come to you with dry skin. Now, things that make winter wonderful, such as sitting by a roaring fire, can remember also dry your skin out. So we like to do, if you like to do bonfire, you like to stand in front of the gas, while cooking. That is also taking the moisture out of your skin, because I would not say the same in summers, because that time the air outside is not that dry and cold, but in winters it is so. Another thing that we enjoy a lot in winters is taking a hot shower, right? And hot shower is like really nice to warm you up. But remember, hot water dries you out. Yeah, it actually strips the skin of all the natural oil that's there in the skin. So hot water is also another. If you have to take hot shower, try and limit your time, try and reduce the temperature of hot shower. Whenever if you have a blower or things like that in your house, try to keep a humidifier. Now you would be thinking, why should I buy a humidifier? So you don't need to buy a humidifier. What you can do is keep a bowl of water in your room if you put a blower or something like that, and lower the thermostat, which means the thermostat, the temperature should not be very high. The higher the temperature, remember, the drier your skin would be. So that's the quick tip number one. Now let's move to the quick tip number two. As I said already, limit your shower time and the temperature of your shower. So we would say lukewarm water, about 5 to 10 minutes. So don't just stand in the shower for very, very long. Avoid using excessively hot water while washing your hands. These days washing hands is very important, and the Center for Disease Control and Prevention has already said, whether you wash your hands with cold water or you wash your hands with warm water, the effect is going to be the same. It is important that we wash hands. You need not have only hot and warm water to wash your hands. If you're using a restroom, those air dryers, try and keep your, pull out your hands when your hands are a little damp, which means it still leaves some of the moisture on in your hands. Because it's important, everybody tries to take care of the face, but what happens is we kind of forget our hands while it comes to winter. So people do take good care of the hand but forget the hands, good care of the face, but they kind of tend to forget the hands. Now, as I already said in the beginning of this session, modify your facial skincare regime, right? Summers you can have something different, and winters you can have something different. It helps to rejuvenate the skin even further. So in winters, what you can do is try choosing a cream-based cleanser, or even the micellar water are very good for the texture of the micellar water are very good for dry skin. Now, the American Association of Dermatology has also said when your skin is dry and itchy, stop using products that have alcohol in them or that have extra fragrances in order so that you can retain the skin oil, that's the natural oil that's there in your skin. And the good thing is with Oriflame, you can be perfectly assured, truly assured that we do not use extra fragrances. The oils are also very, very natural oils, and the fragrances that are there are actually of the ingredients. And then, of course, at night, one should not forget the night regime in winters and use rich moisturizer there. A lot of your problem of dry skin would go away if you start using your skincare regime twice a day. So we would always recommend that skincare regime has to be used twice a day, one in the morning and one in the night, if you want a good result on your skin. And of course, don't forget the lips. So, applying a tender care can, of course, help to heal a dry and cracked lips. So even before you apply the lipstick, it is always a good idea to, apply a tender care to moisturize and keep the lips from getting chapped. Now we come to the tip number 4. Moisturize frequently, especially your hands. Yeah, so maintain a healthy skin by moisturizing after washing up. And as we said, do not forget your hands, especially during the current time. So as many times that we go wash our hands, it's a good idea to apply a moisturizer. We have our milk and honey hand cream. We have our anniversary golden edition hand cream. So these are very good to apply on the hands. And now coming to tip number 5, which is applying the sunscreen even on gray winter days. Now, when it's summertime, we kind of avoid going out in the sun, right? Because we feel, oh, the sun can really damage my skin. But remember, half an hour in the sun or half an hour in the winter, the same damage is being caused on your skin, whether it's winter or sun. So it's just as important to be applying a sunscreen in harsh winter as it is in the summer. So don't think that there's no sun outside, so I don't need to apply the sunscreen. Whether there's sun or no sun, the sun rays, the UV rays are always acting upon your skin. And now coming to tip number skin, always remember to eat right and stay hydrated. It's very well known fact that 2 to 3 liters of water in a day is very good for our skin. And what happens is in winters, we try and avoid that. We kind of skip that part and we think it's not that hot, so I don't need to drink water. But that's not the case. So 2 to 3 liters of water every day is required. And you can also help in terms of your food, the nutrition that you take in. Remember, supplements like omega-3 can actually help you to have a healthy skin. So with Swedish Beauty Complex, which is a good antioxidant, you could get the glow in your skin. And with omega-3, that's another supplement, which can also help to release out the dryness in your skin. So remember to not just eat right, but also take all the right supplements. And now coming to some homemade remedies that you could do with during the winter season. Here are some easy homemade face packs that I've listed for you. One is all about milk, cream, and honey. All these ingredients are easily available at our home. You could use packed with cocoa butter and olive oil, banana and milk, such an easy thing to use. Aloe vera, almond oil, or sesame oil, papaya and raw milk. Very lately, we launched a Love Nature facial kit, which already had papaya in it, so you could even make use of that. And then carrot and honey. So that's another face pack that you could always make. Yeah. Uh, Now, big question that comes in winters is, should we be exfoliating? Now, yes, we all know that in summers and in monsoon, we do need to exfoliate, but kind of tend to think that, oh, we're using a cream-based cleanser, so we need not exfoliate in winters. But that's not right. Exfoliation is important always, whether winter, whether summer. It's just that your exfoliator needs to be very gentle. Yeah, so exfoliating during winter is necessary because dead skin cells, they reduce the amount of absorption that you're actually getting from the product. So if you don't exfoliate, what happens is the dead cells tend to get accumulated on the top layer. Now, when you apply the product is not able to go deep inside. If the product doesn't go deep inside, how will it work on your skin? How will it hydrate your skin? So so since the product is not working on your skin, it actually ends up increasing the dryness and further irritation. So that means exfoliating twice a week is always a good idea, whatever be the season, right? Now, so we've spoken about the various tips about skincare, whether it is, exfoliation, whether we've spoken about the other 4 or 5 tips in terms of taking care of your hands, limiting the shower time. Now we talk about the products, and when we talk about Oriflame products, we always say that they are inspired by nature and powered by science. Our products, they give you scientifically proven results. When we look at the Novage range, it's clinically proven, which means the results are actually guaranteed and you would definitely get it. Yeah. And if we have to talk about clinical results, well, these tests are very expensive to conduct. Not all companies conduct clinical tests. Even if they do it on the most premium range. And with us also, we do clinical tests on the Novage range. So you look at the Novage range, it's clinically tested. And then, of course, with any ingredient that we use, we follow stringent ecoethical screening. Now, what does stringent ecoethical screening means? It means that first of all, we do not take ingredients from any sources that are basically harmful to us. Another thing is that we do not take ingredients from any sources that, let's say, would get extinct in the future. So that's how we follow ecoethical screening with any ingredient that we're using in our product, which means no product that's going to be harming us, no products that going to get extinct in the future. So we follow that. And then, as we said earlier, our Scandinavian beauty is all about being simple and very smart. So you can choose your skincare brand as per your need. We have the advanced performing range with Novage. In Optimals, we have the performing skincare range. And then, of course, we have the basic skincare range. That is the Love Nature brand. Now let's start with Love Nature. Who would you actually recommend Love Nature to? As I always say, you can recommend Love Nature to the beginners with skincare regime. I would say 16, 17 years and above age, you can recommend Love Nature to them. The good thing is it has 100% organic extracts, and the main ingredients are organically extracted. And then it has all the exfoliants that are there are also 100% natural. Then this range is completely silicone free, it's biodegradable and paraben free. So one very good thing that you get to see with the Love Nature. And when we talk about the winter season, it's the oats and goji berry range that helps to soothe the dry skin. And this cleanser actually has a micellar water in it, which I already told you is very good, to have a micellar water while we are looking at basically the dry winter season. So micellar water kind of has the right texture for a dry skin. And then the moisturizer helps to hydrate and refresh and restore our balance, and works to soften and smooth our skin. We also have very good two-in-one scrub and mask. I do understand the oily skin scrub and mask may not be available, but now for winters you have the soothing mask available. You can also take uh, the replenishing two-in-one mask and scrub. These are like really on the go. If you want, you can use them as a scrub. You want, you can use them as a mask, or you want, you can first apply them as a mask and then later you kind of scrub it off your face and then wash it off your face. So these are very good on the go products to have in your kitty. And when we talk about the Optimals range, which is our performing skincare range, the two recommendations that I would make are the Normal to Combination Hydra Radiant skincare range and the Optimals Age Revive. Why I'm not mentioning much about the Even Out is right now it's not available. Yeah, and then we have the complementary products. Well, talking about the multi-protection day shield, if you're using our Optimals range, it's a good idea to always carry it while you're out in the sun. You're looking at basking in the sun during winter. So apply a nice shield of this multi-protection day shield. It comes to you with SPF 30. And you can, of course, apply it over the moisturizer that you have already used. And it helps also to give you some anti-aging benefits and then controls the free radical as well. And then to boost hydration, to boost that glow, to give you more radiance in winters, we also have the moisture quenching face mask. And this face mask basically has to be applied on a cleansed skin. It's a gel mask to kind of apply after on a cleanse. So first you need to cleanse your skin, apply it on for about 15 minutes and then wash it off your face. So that's how you would use this gel mask to give you more hydration and more boost in your skin. And now the Optimals face exfoliating face scrub. It's currently on offer today and tomorrow, only at rupees 399. So a must buy because yes, that's one scrub that we have in the Optimals range. And if you don't have it, please go ahead and take it on a very, very good price in this anniversary, 20 Silver Jubilee anniversary month that we are celebrating right now. So go ahead and buy this. And then the Optimals Radiance Booster also I would recommend in winters. This is last time featured for this catalog, which means you're not going to get it again, but it's very good for the radiance or the glow that you need. All you need to do is just mix a drop of it and apply on your face. So tired skin, cold winter skin, it gives very good results. So I'm just mentioning the products that you could, probably use in this winter season. And then when we come to the Novage range, we've already spoken about the patented technology. It has a simple 4-step skincare routine, comes to you with plant stem cells extracts. Because, plant stem cells, they give energy to the plant, they repair the plant, they give growth to the plant, and, they have this quality to develop into any tissue of any organ. And similarly, when these plant stem cells are used in the product, and the product is applied on our skin, it does the same work on our skin. It energizes it, it repairs, it rejuvenates the skin, and a very straightforward approach you get with the Novage range. So plant stem cells and patented technology. You know that we have three ranges in the Novage. One is for fine lines and wrinkles, and that's our Ecollagen Wrinkle Power to give you instant results by up to 49% instant wrinkle reduction. And then we have the Ultimate Lift for firmness loss for a matured skin that has started to, have this sagging issue and deep wrinkles. You could give them Ultimate Lift, which would give 70% more bounce in the skin. And then for all the people who have uneven skin tone, who have problem of dark spots, who have problem of pigmentation, can actually go for the Bright Sublime skincare routine. And then of course the complementary products are always there in the Novage range. I would highly recommend in winters the Intense Skin Recharge Overnight Mask, this blue bottle that you see out here. Twice a week in the night, if you apply it, morning you feel completely renewed and your skin feels really soft and plump. So if good, go ahead, take this, and very good solution for this winter season. And of course we have the other strengthening and replenishing mask, which are the cloth mask on top that you see. These of course you will have to apply on a cleansed skin, apply for about 15 minutes and then remove it, and the extra emulsion that's there on the skin, you can tap it dry. Yeah, so you need not wash your face after applying this mask. Then we have the Novage Day Shield with SPF 50. So if you are a Novage user, I would highly recommend to carry this with you while you're going out. Apply it over your moisturizer. It's like a day shield with PA++++. That's a Japanese protection factor. So it's not just a sunscreen, but like a day shield for your skin, a good protector for your skin. And then we have the Novage Skin Renewing Peel, which basically does the work of exfoliation in our skin. So you can use it once a week or twice a week maximum. And then the Skin Renewing Treatment product. It's about, people who have problems with open pores. You could use that for them, for fine lines and wrinkles, for some dark spots. So it's like more like a treatment product that we have. And it's a 4-week treatment that you get with Novage Skin Renewing Treatment. So I have not mentioned the newly launched acne products because in winter season we do tend to see it less, but yes, those are also available. And next week we will be conducting a complete webinar on the Novage range. So you could log in then to understand and clarify all your questions on the Novage range. So in summary, if we see Novage will give you targeted solution, clinical results, patented technology, plant stem cells extracts. It has a simple 4-step routine. And remember, when you use an entire routine, it gives you 7 times better result as compared to the fact that you use 1 or 2 products. Because using a skincare routine means skincare routine basically works like a team sport. In a sports team, every individual, every team member has a role to play, and that's exactly how a skincare routine works. Every product has a role to play. Now when you use all of these products together, the good thing is the product would be required in lesser quantity, and of course the entire routine will give you better results. So if you use 1 or 2 products, you will need to use more quantity of it. Yeah, and then in these current times when we are more restricted at home, and you're trying to build your business more digitally, it's always better, and that you offer the 100% satisfaction guarantee always to your customer, so that they are rest assured, even if in case they want to return the product within 30 days of buying, they can do so. Yeah, so this is something that comes into play now even more when we see that the people are not moving out of the house, but they still want to take care. So a simple skincare routine, as I said, is first cleanse your skin to remove all the makeup, dirt, grime, etc. Then taking care of the most delicate part of your face, which is your eye area, which is also the area where the wrinkles first start to emerge. So taking care with an eye cream. Then applying the booster, which is the serum, and serum, as you know, kind of goes deep inside, and it helps in the absorption of the day and the night cream that you're going to be applying further. And then serum is also a product that gives a lot of glow to your skin. And then during the day, you apply the step number 4, which is the day cream moisturizer to protect your skin. And in the night, you apply the night cream to actually rejuvenate and repair your skin even further. So in summary, for dry skin in winters, I would say you could actually refer to this table. If you're in your 20s, you could basically go for the Love Nature Oats and Goji Berry. You have an uneven skin tone, go for Bright Sublime. You have the Optimals Hydra Radiance and of course the Clear White. As I said, I have not mentioned Even Out because not available currently. If you're in your 30s, again, go for Optimals Hydra Radiance, so normal to combination. You can even go for Optimals Age Revive. Move a step further, use products which are more moisturizing in the dry weather. Go for Ecollagen and of course in Clear White as well. And in 40s, you have of course many more solution with Royal Velvet range, you have the Diamond range, you have the Ultimate Lift range, and you of course have the Optimal Age Revive range. So you could refer this table while thinking of a dry skin in various age groups. Yeah. And now coming to the end, so that's what Beauty by Sweden is all about. A healthy lifestyle, a glowing skin, which again basically gives you the confidence, you know, to for personal expression. Yeah.